Hajira, Nakshathra 916, Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful Arabic collections items, rings, earrings and pendant collections. Very beautiful designs with different colors. Let's go to the detailed video. Today's Arabic collection first item I am showing you very beautiful green stone Arabic ring, very beautiful design, adjustable ring. You can see here it's only 2.37 gram, 2.370. okay, very beautiful design, lightweight collection. It starts from, the all ring starts from 2 gram. I'll show you. You can see here very beautiful design, green stone Arabic ring collection. Next one, my favorite black stonework Arabic ring collection, very beautiful design. This one also same like adjustable ring. You can see here, you can adjust here, see here, you can adjust here. This one around 2 grams. I will show you now after wearing how it looks. See how it looks, very beautiful, trendy one, very beautiful design, black stone Arabic ring. Next one, very beautiful Redstone work, very beautiful design, adjustable Arabic ring collection. It's only 2.260 grams. I'm showing you after wearing how it looks. See how it looks, very beautiful. We have lot of Arabic rings collection available in our Al-Nada shop. Visit our shop. Next I am showing you very beautiful pendant collection. You can see here small cute pendant, green stone work, very beautiful design. It's around 2 grams. Very lightweight collection. We have lot of lightweight collections available in our Al-Nada shop. Next one, very beautiful red stone work, very beautiful pendant, Arabic collection pendant. We have lot of collections available in our Al-Nada shop. It's only 1.3 grams. Next one, my favorite black color stone work, very beautiful design pendant collection. We have lot of pendant collections in our Al-Nada shop. Visit our shop, Al-Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. This is very beautiful pendant collection. You can see here. Next I am showing you very beautiful earrings collection in Arabic collection. Very beautiful design, red stone work, lightweight collection, only 2 points. Next one I am showing you very beautiful earrings collection, stud collection in Arabic collection. Very beautiful red stone work. It's only around 3 grams. Very beautiful design, lightweight collection. We have lot of lightweight collections available in our Al-Nada shop. You can see here cute earrings. Next I am showing you very beautiful blue stonework earrings collection, beautiful design. You can see here very beautiful design, lightweight collection, only around 3 grams. All earrings collections starting from 2 grams here, 2.5 like that. We have lot of collections available in our Al-Nada shop. Visit our shop, Al-Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. Next one, very beautiful attractive green color stonework, very beautiful design, attractive design. You can see here very beautiful green stonework Arabic collection earring, very cute earrings. You can use it as for this one, both school girls, adults, anyone can wear this. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our Arabic collections, maybe rings, earrings or pendant, whatever you like, it's available in our Al-Nada shop. Visit our shop, Al-Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. Also you can do online shopping in India, all over India, delivery available. Within 8 days you will get the delivery. Contact 9846 361 916. If you want to watch more trendy collections, new collections, subscribe our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Follow us. See you again in next video. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.